Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this video. Just a quick one to say that I'm now middle-aged and, 40 years old. And this year I've really got into the idea of owning a motorbike. I've never had a motorbike before, never ridden a motorbike before. So it's a completely brand new experience for me. And I need as much advice and information and teaching as I can get. So I've been all through YouTube, watching all the videos, following all the people, and I've got a massive hankering for a Harley Davidson. Big hankering for a Harley. You hit middle aged and suddenly they become cool, especially their 883s and their fat bobs and their 48s. Oh, just scrolling through Instagram all the time, checking out videos of that. So I've done my CBT in the UK. That's your first bit of training, and got my first motorbike, 125, and done some driving around town. And I'm going to be doing my training to get my big bike license, and then hopefully in the future getting a Harley or an Indian. I really like the Indians as well, the Indian Scout Bobber. Nail-bitingly beautiful bikes. So I'm going to try and maybe document some of this kind of stuff and try. That was the whole point of all my videos I've ever done on YouTube, has been to either give out information or get information back. This is probably be a case of me getting information back, but also maybe anybody else that's getting into bikes might be interested in hearing somebody's new experiences with it. So just a quick video to say I'm opening up a new channel. I'll put the link down at the bottom below. Just probably me looking at bikes, talking about my experiences that I've had so far, and just see how that goes, and hopefully show you my bikes in the future as well. So yeah, just another channel that I'm opening up, more a discussion channel, I think, going on there. But we'll see how that develops. So link down below for my motorbike channel thing. Bye bye.